How to make money with buy real gold bars. Jumping Josephine is an 11,665-hectare gold property in southern British Columbia. The property hosts the historic Granville Mountain Mining Camp and several newly discovered vein-hosted gold showings including JJ Main, JJ West Albion, Dubrovnik and Bonanza Pass. Previous work on the property by a number of other exploration companies turned up ashes of interest, but it was not until Kootenay's early exploration work uncovered the JJ Main and West Albion, Dubrovnik and Bonanza Pass targets that serious exploration work took place. According to a recent news brief, the chute has been intersected to date by holes drilled on the southernmost two sections spaced 60 meters apart, and so far it appears to be increasing in width to the south. The drill is currently completing offensive holes along a section 30 meters further to the south. Astro has only just begun to test the potential of JJ Main structure, which based on mapping geophysics and surface geochemistry may extend for over 3 kilometers. Kootenay appears to be proving its acumen for choosing properties with potential for early-stage discoveries that increase shareholder value. The JJ Main, JJ West Albion, Dubrovnik and Bonanza Pass targets and Jumping Josephine were all discovered by Kootenay after the company purchased the properties. Between September and December 2006, Kootenay 4 times reported notable sampling and trenching results at JJ, including 21.43 grams TO over 5 meters. Consequently, the company's stock steadily increased from about $0.56 to $0.66. Finally, on the news of 7.0 meters of 31.19 grams TO, the stock jumped to over $1. The case at Kootenay's Promontorio Silver Project, which consists of 4 contiguous claims covering 37,000 hectares in northwestern Mexico, may prove to be even more providential. Chip sampling in the pit breccia returned 480 grams per ton silver, 2.51 grams per ton gold, 11,199 ppm lead and 17,284 ppm zinc over a true width of 19 meters. These findings lead to the presently ongoing 3,000-meter drill program, of which 13 holes are complete and have been sent for laboratory testing. Results are imminent, but what can we expect from this previously producing mine camp? Maybe it's the clairvoyant vision of director Richard Hughes or the mine-finding prowess of CEO James McDonald, who co-founded multiple successful mining companies, but each of the stories behind this growing company is beginning to take form. Keep a close eye out for more results this fall. This article is intended for information purposes only and is not a recommendation to buy or sell the equities of any company mentioned herein. It is based on sources believed to be reliable, but no warranty as to accuracy is expressed or implied. The opinions expressed in the article are those of the author, except where statements are attributed to individuals other than the author, in which case the opinions are those of the individual to whom they are attributed.